Gold's story in space exploration is one of transformation, from ancient earthly treasure to a vital material enabling humanity's reach beyond Earth. Long prized for its beauty and rarity, gold found a new purpose in the space age because of its remarkable physical properties. Resistant to corrosion, highly reflective, and an excellent conductor of electricity, gold became indispensable in the harsh environment of space. In the early days of space exploration, engineers discovered that extreme temperatures and intense radiation could damage conventional materials. Gold offered an elegant solution. Thin layers of gold foil were used to shield spacecraft from solar radiation, helping regulate internal temperatures. The iconic golden sheen of satellites and space telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, is not decorative, it is functional protection that allows delicate instruments to operate accurately in deep space. Gold also plays a critical role in spacecraft electronics. Because it conducts electricity reliably and does not oxidize, gold is used in connectors, circuit boards, and bonding wires. These components must work flawlessly, often for decades, with no possibility of repair. Astronaut visors are coated with a microscopic layer of gold, protecting their eyes from harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation while still allowing clear vision. From lunar missions to interplanetary probes, gold has quietly supported some of humanity's greatest achievements. What began as dust forged in ancient stars became a dazzling enabler of exploration, proving that even a symbol of luxury on Earth can become a cornerstone of survival and discovery in space.